Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm going to be going over and reviewing the Pro Telephone Voice Transformer Kit. If you guys find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on the latest spy news by following us on Twitter and Facebook. Now, this is by far one of the coolest things I've ever seen. This device directly connects to your cell phone or landline telephone and will actually change the sound of your voice. And this isn't one of those pitch changers you see everywhere on different websites. It can actually change your voice so much that you can not only sound like a completely different person, but even a different gender. If you want to read more about this product, you can see it on my website and even purchase it by clicking on this link right here. Let's get right into the demo. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what this comes with because I've made an entire video about how to configure and set up this device. I will tell you, however, that it does come with everything that you need to get it set up and working right out of the box. The telephone voice transformer comes pre-programmed with 3 voices out of the box, which means you're pretty much set to go right away. They are Dan, Bob, and Amy. You can, of course, program and customize more directly from the device. You can see exactly how by watching that setup video that I mentioned earlier. So how we're going to do the demo is, I've already connected the voice transformer to my cell phone and now I'm going to make a phone call. Kenny is going to be standing by with a cell phone recorder attached to his phone. That will record both sides of the conversation. This is important to know that he is the one recording because that'll demonstrate how the device sounds to the person you'll be calling, not how it sounds to you. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Okay, so what we're doing today is a test of the telephone voice transformer kit. This video isn't going to be how to connect it to your phone. We've already made one of those videos. This is a quality test so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Now, Kenny has a cell phone a recorder attached to his phone. So when I call him, it's going to record the conversation for what it sounds like to him. So whenever you guys watch this, this is what it's going to sound like to the person you're calling with this device. So with that being said, let me go ahead and put the headphones on and go and call Kenny. Keep in mind that the headphones that it comes with, it might be different because sometimes they come with little in-ear pieces. Sometimes they come with over-the headphone pieces like this. Doesn't matter, any generic headphones will work, but like I said, it does come with a pair.
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, so this is with the telephone voice transformer.
It doesn't have the effect on. What we're going to do is switch to 3 different voices and record each one.
And just to see how they sound.
Okay, so this is Amy.
How you doing?
Doing very good. So originally I was going to read a review, but it's kind of hard to see, so instead what I'm going to say is, my name is Tim. I work for Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore, and this is a test of the voice Amy on the telephone voice transformer.
Great.
Okay, so that was Amy. So I went ahead and turned the effect off, and then I'm going to switch the effect over to, let's see, the next one is Bob. So I'm on Bob right now, and I'm going to turn the effect on.
Okay, so this is Bob. My name is Tim. I work for Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. This is the voice Bob.
Great.
Okay, so I turned off the voice for Bob. I'm going to switch over to the last voice that we're going to test today, which is Dan.
Okay, so this is the test of the voice Dan. My name is Tim. I work for Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore.
Great.
Okay, so that was all 3 voices, and something I will mention while I'm got you guys on the phone is how you hold the TVT to your face is very important. So if you hold it far down like this, in comparison to too close like this, it will affect how the effect works and sounds when you call someone. So it might take a little bit of practice in order to get this to operate properly. Okay, Kenny, I appreciate your help.
That's great info. Thank you. Have a great
Yes,
day.
sir. You too. Thank you, sir.
I'm super impressed. This thing worked extremely well. It completely changed my voice with the 3 pre-programmed voices, which is a great starting point. I would recommend, however, playing around with the device and customizing the voices to work best for your voice and situation. I love that you can not only change your voices, but there are also the ability to create whole new ones as well. Now, we monitor the comment sections on all of our videos, so if you guys have questions about this or anything else we sell, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you.